get a little bit mucky, but hopefully it stops and we'll all get into camp and everything will be okay. Hi, this is Brian from Northwest Bronco. Welcome back to the channel. A long time ago, I put out a video saying that I was gonna put on the black diamond wheels to kind of suck the tires and wheels under, so I have less debris flinging up on the side of the Bronco. Because with the Sasquatch package the way it comes, even with the wider flares, it would just be a big muddy mess all up in the windows and in the door handles. But I have a lot of people asking me, like, since I have, and I didn't want to put mud flaps on because I just didn't want them to kind of bring everything in, so I put the standard fender flares on, black diamond wheels, and these are the same size tires as a Sasquatch tire, and it brought everything in. It turned out to be pretty much an advantage because now I can get through tighter trails, not as wide as it is typically, but it just makes the car a little bit narrow, which is nice. But people are asking, like, did it work, you know, or not? So I'm going to take you around the vehicle right now to show you what it looks like after going through quite a bit of mud today. All right, so that is results after bringing the tires and wheels in with the standard size fender flares. And you can see that it's no longer caking the door handle. It's no longer flinging up all over the windows, at least on this side. So it actually did make quite a difference. And let's check out the other side. All right, here's the other side. You can see still the dirt is down a little tiny bit up on the windows. And it really kept the mud down from flinging up all over the side of the vehicle. So I'm going to say that if you don't want to put mud flaps on and you want another option, put standard fender flares on, some black diamond wheels, and those are the same size tires as a Sasquatch tire. They're just brought in under the vehicle, and it made a pretty good difference. All right, so hopefully this video helped you guys out on whether or not you want to set up your Bronco this way to kind of keep the mud off the side. I did it, and it seemed to work really well. And I do have another video coming up here. I did an update on these tires. These are the new Toyo Open Country RT Trail tires, the brand new hybrid tire. They're a D-rated tire. So watch out for that video. That's going to be coming up too. All right, I'll see you next time.